Welcome to my comprehensive review of the Samsung Q990D 11.1.4ch soundbar, a cutting-edge home theater solution that redefines the audio experience with its innovative features, sleek design, and impressive performance. But before we dive into the details, let's start with a thought-provoking question. Are you tired of being transported to the movies and TV shows, but instead feeling like you're stuck in a tiny, two-dimensional box? Do you crave an immersive experience that puts you right in the middle of the action? If so, you're in luck because the Samsung Q990D 11.1.4ch soundbar is here to revolutionize the way you enjoy multimedia content. This powerhouse of a sound system addresses a significant pain point in the consumer electronics market: the need for a seamless and immersive audio experience that complements the latest 4K and 8K TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. For far too long, consumers have been forced to settle for a lackluster audio experience, but the Q990D soundbar changes the game. Now, let's take a closer look at this stunning piece of equipment. As soon as I unwrapped the Q990D, I was struck by its sleek, futuristic design and premium build quality. This is a solid, well-constructed soundbar that exudes high-end sophistication and attention to detail. The 41.5 inches of premium aluminum and glass creates a mesmerizing effect, making it a stylish centerpiece for any room. Setting up the soundbar was a breeze, thanks to clear, concise instructions and an intuitive setup process that took just a few minutes to complete. But what truly sets the Q990D apart is its impressive array of cutting-edge features and innovative technologies. Q-Symphony is a standout, allowing you to pair the Samsung Q990D with a Samsung TV to unlock powerful, optimized audio that creates an immersive experience like no other. By harnessing the TV's speakers, this clever technology combines them with the soundbar to create a breathtaking 1.1.4 channel configuration that will leave you speechless. Speaking of breathtaking audio experiences, the Q990D delivers a phenomenal 1.1.4 channel true Dolby Atmos experience, complete with 11 front-facing speakers, a single subwoofer, and no fewer than 4 channels of upward-firing sound. With this incredible setup, you'll be transported to a new dimension of sound, where every detail, every explosion, every crash, and every whisper is precisely pinpointed and conveyed with stunning clarity. But what about wireless connectivity and flexibility? Look no further than the Q990D's seamless Dolby Atmos capabilities, which allow you to access the full range of Dolby Atmos content without needing any cables or wires to connect your devices. This means that you can enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and games in the ultimate immersive audio experience, wirelessly. No strings attached. Now that we've explored the Q990D's most exciting features, let's put them to the test in real-world scenarios. Imagine yourself in the cockpit of a sleek fighter jet, soaring through a dogfight with explosions and laser blasts whizzing past your ears. Or picture this: you're on a mission to save the world from an alien invasion, with your character dodging laser beams and alien fire while trying to save humanity. That's what it's like to experience the immersive audio of the Q990D soundbar in action. As you can see, the Samsung Q990D delivers a stunning level of immersive audio and seamless connectivity. Of course, like any piece of tech, it's not without its trade-offs. One minor drawback is its relatively hefty price tag, which may deter some buyers. However, consider the alternative: investing in a lower-end soundbar that can't match the Q990D's level of performance and innovation. So, how does it stack up against competing options in the soundbar market? The Q990D is certainly one of the most advanced soundbars available today. While some may argue that the price is somewhat steep, it's worth noting that this is a premium product that justifies the cost with its impressive features and performance. The soundbar's Q-Symphony, Dolby Atmos capabilities, and sleek design put it firmly in competition with top-of-the-line products from other industry leaders. As our review draws to a close, I'm confident in saying that the Samsung Q990D 11.1.4ch soundbar is an absolute must-have for anyone who wants to elevate their home entertainment experience. Whether you're a serious audiophile, a gamer, or simply someone who wants to enjoy immersive, cinematic experiences in the comfort of their own home, this soundbar delivers. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Samsung Q990D 11.1.4ch soundbar to anyone seeking the ultimate audio experience. It's an investment worth making, not just for its impressive performance and innovative features, but also for its sheer entertainment value. So, go ahead, immerse yourself in a world of breathtaking audio and take your home entertainment to the next level. Treat yourself to the Samsung Q990D soundbar today and experience the future of sound. It's waiting for you. And as always, before we conclude our review, I highly recommend checking out more in-depth reviews from multiple sources, as well as product comparisons to make an informed purchasing decision that is right for you. But in short, the Samsung Q990D soundbar is a highly recommended product for serious audiophiles and individuals looking for the best-in-class audio experience. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing.